So today, guys, we're gonna be doing a dish site. There's Ray. How you doing, Ray?
What's up, guys? How you guys doing today?
Yeah, we got yeah, it's gonna be a hot one. 94 today. Mark this because it's kind of sitting in the middle of nowhere, and I do not want to hit it. So got the machine all cleaned up from the weekend. Yeah, that thing needed a bath. So we're taking this stone off here. We got a 5x7 platform going in here with a power pipe and a fiber pipe. Got to take them outside and then tie it into the transformer down here. So we're out in central PA today, about 2 hours out, and then we'll peel this fabric back, put our ground ring in, take our grounding over to the tower. So yeah, stick with us, guys. Something a little different for us. We never did a dish site before, but you know, we had a gap between new site builds for AT&T, so they threw us on this for a week. So finished stripping this stone off. Trying a different position here in the cab. Hopefully you can see all right. I got to strip out enough stone here to give myself room to put all my dirt. It's got to be 36 inches down for everything. Yeah, it's 30 to 36. Creates a lot of dirt, so might as well give yourself plenty of room. Always looks nicer with the stone on top, and that's what they want. So this has got plenty of stone here. When there's plenty of stone, the fabric actually stays where it's supposed to stay. You're not constantly pulling it up, which is really nice. So we got this new tool here. It's a Milwaukee channel lock, and that holds the mold together tighter so we don't lose our shot out the bottom of the side. So we'll see how it works out. Wow, big explosion. Morning, guys. Back on site here out in central PA, trying to finish up this dish site today, day 2. Morning, Ray. Morning. So yeah, we got some digging to do here. Got to put the power pipe in, fiber pipe. So let's go see what Brandon's doing, and then we'll come back. We got to tunnel around a fiber pipe, and then we got to tie into that transformer. So we'll be back. See what Brandon's doing.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special guest, another helper. Talk to us about yourself. What's your name?
Name's Jamie, certified electrician, soon to be climber.
That's right. All right, so Jamie's new. He's just starting with the company. He's crazy enough to actually want to climb these things. Good for him, not me. Anyway, so Jamie's just here to help me out today. He's a little bit older than most of these guys I get. He's not green, which is lucky for me. Thanks, Tim. You finally sent me a guy that, yeah, we won't even go there. Anyway, so we got to backfill this handhole yesterday. Crown came out and gave us some information. Basically, they don't want us to leave any holes open for the guys, the fiber provider to come in and drop the box. We're just gonna leave stub ups there and that's it. We'll seed and straw and put it all back together for safety reasons. Now, another thing is we're gonna do this ground ring. Somebody came out here, obviously dug it by hand. They couldn't dig it because the ground's hard, it's all clay. So we're gonna come in, make it deeper, add our ground ring in, get nice and wet because it's raining. Fun stuff. We got our tent set up already. Now, one thing I did find out that's changing is with these dish sites, no matter what the layout is, no matter what the plan says, I don't care. They want these dish sites a minimum of 3 feet off the fence with our platform. So this one here was laid out wrong. And luckily I talked to the guy from Dish yesterday and he told me that. And I made everybody aware. So that was only 1'1". That's what the plans call for. And apparently, if we don't do this, we're gonna be going back and moving them. So on my sites, full tilt sites, even edge, we make sure we're gonna put them at 3 feet no matter what. Well, honestly, what I should have done is just backfill this thing and restarted, but I decided not to do that. We got this trench pretty much the depth here. I gotta clean up a little bit there. Once I get over there, I'll do that. But it's raining, and I'm not gonna get sketchy and try to cross this ditch. So my next option is to drive right under this ice bridge. That's what we're gonna do. Great thing about having open rocks, the cab's lower, and if I had to, we could just unbolt this cab and drive right under and put it right back.
this thing in place. Well, today, guys, sorry about yesterday, man. I forgot to finish filming. It was hot. But today we're gonna take this generator to the top of a mountain that you can't even see. The road is so washed out, we got to take it up on a telehandler. So we got crane company here. They brought a telehandler. We're gonna take it up. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll let you know how it goes. Well, we'll try and get some footage of this, but should be interesting. It's not a good sight. So got the old 6.4 out today. Pulled that thing up here, no problem. So guys, we're starting our climb here. This is not a good road at all. And it's really gonna get bad about halfway up. We gotta cross over a large coal seam. It's really deep. So you'll see. You'll see, it's gonna be a mess. Truck doesn't like this at all. You can't even tell how steep this is right now, guys. The picture's not doing it justice, trust me. We are in Ashland, PA. And if you've been to Ashland, PA, you know there's some steep mountains. So, here he comes. Steep. Ray's in there somewhere, snapping branches. Trying to give this guy his best visibility we can. I must say, it is beautiful up here. We're not even halfway up, man. But we gotta wait on that. It's not forklift, so.
I wasn't going up this hill with Ed, so he's waiting for the crane or the low. I'm gonna sit up here and wait for him to get up here.
Lock your hubs first. One last little crest here and you should be good. These rocks here bounce me all over the place.
All right, Ed and I just made it through the worst part. I'm cleaning my britchers out, and he's got one more hill to climb, and then we're home free, buddy.
I'm actually surprised you rode up in the truck, bro.
Bad
He
stuff.
insisted on walking up the last part. Yeah, I told that guy once he gets up that spot, the worst part's over. Well, I haven't been up here in 8 years, so I forgot about this last bad part. So this is where we're gonna set it on. Bobby was up here and mixed and poured this whole thing by hand. Couldn't get a concrete truck up here. This shelter actually was built, stick built on site because they could not get it up here on the truck. So they brought this thing up just as building material and built this thing on site. It is one of the most remote sites we've worked with. It's not easy to get to at all. You can move the whole thing that way a little bit. Well, we got this thing set in place, all lagged down. Now we got to make 2 more trips up and down that horrendous hill to put fuel in this thing. So yeah, we got to put 200 gallons of fuel in this. So we'll be back. Well, guys, our contract is to get this thing 80% full. So as you can see, we put 170 gallons in it, and yeah, all tucked in. Bobby will be here tomorrow to mix up concrete and put these ballards in. I don't know how he's gonna do it, but yeah, we get down the hill here. I'll leave you with a shot of the view. But man, that is a tall, it's a guided tower. So it's held up by 3 sets of guide cables. So and they just got done putting new ones in, so you can see the one leg. If you guys watch Workplay TV up there in Canada, he works on a lot of these towers. But yeah, so that's it for us. We'll get you a shot of the view on the way down. But thanks for watching, guys. So everybody, I got the famous Tim Hughes on the phone right now. You're looking at the beautiful view, and I just had to inform him that I forgot to use that wonderful app that makes no sense. But yeah, I forgot to use it. But so Tim, tell the audience to what?
Like and subscribe.
There you go, Tim. All right, guys, thanks for watching, man. Have a good day.